Uh-oh, she sees me. Hi, Manta. I'm sorry, I can't take you outside. I can't take you outside, baby. You look angry. I'm sorry. You just got to go outside. You already went outside, baby. You went outside too, Clover. I'm sorry. Stop crying, baby. They're very mad because Chris took them out front to eat weeds. And now the other goats are out front eating weeds.